Yeah, hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. I want just encourage you to subscribe to this YouTube channel so you can actually get updates on YouTube posting from time to time. And without wasting much time, let's jump into the tutorial of today. In this video, I want to show you how to install Emacs, how to download and install Emacs for free for Windows system. How to download and install Emacs for a Windows system. It's quite very easy. You see, this is a Google search bar, just a Chrome. Just to type Emacs, and then it brings out links which you can actually use to download it. I will take you through the appropriate links because it just run into. You see, many people do not know how to install Emacs because of the technicality of it. In a way, it needs some guidance. That's why I'm making this video in the first place. You see, when you go to Emacs website, GNU Emacs website, you will discover you'll be confused. You see, this is the website. Download for Linux, for Ubuntu, Windows, and Ubuntu operating system and all that. Then Mac OS, all of them. But we download for Windows. Then you click on Windows, and then you see this place. It's kind of confusing at this point, but you don't need to be confused. I'll show you how to go about it. Now this is Windows. So this is Windows. Now Emacs download for Windows. This is where you should download. Main GNU FTP server. Main GNU FTP server. Now the most recent version is 2022, and that should be the Emacs 28. That was the most recent version, last modified. You see the last modified dates here, and if you see the dates here, 2022, 13th of September, 12:57 AM. Now you click on Emacs 28, and then you come to the Emacs 28.2 zip file. This one here. If you see my cursor, where my cursor is the appropriate one to download. So we'll go download it, and then it will begin to download. If you see here, it has begun to download. So I'll just skip the video until when it's downloaded, I will show you. And besides, please don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel. Give a comment box if there's some aspects that, if you have any problems, especially in installing it, in your process of installing it, don't hesitate to give a comment in the section box down there. You can see, and I will try to attend to it immediately I see it. Okay, now here you can see our Emacs 28.2 version 0.2 is downloaded. I'll just click it. I have a WinRAR installed on my system. You can just Google WinRAR, WINRAR, and you can download it for free and install it. Then you need to open the file if you do not have a WinRAR on your system. If you have it, of course, the icon you can see here is the icon that will appear. So just go ahead and click it and to open. So now you see that the file has opened, and you need to actually extract this file in a folder where you can locate it. So I'll just take it straight to where I want to extract it to. Extract to you can create a folder for it. You may have a folder where I just put all my application setup. So I'll just extract the files there, and it automatically do processing. Now this is it will unzip the file. It's actually in a zip file, so it will unzip it into a folder that your preferred in folder you prefer. Okay, now here we are. You see, this is the folder I said I directed the WinRAR to extract it to. Now this is Emacs that we just extracted. You open the folder, you come to bin, double click it, and then you find the executable file, which is Emacs. You will see it, Emacs. Let's just search for Emacs and see it, Emacs. It's Emacs. You can send to your desktop. So this is a file, Emacs. So just double click and to open. This is our Emacs. So you see, as you can see, we've successfully downloaded and installed Emacs on a Windows system. So this is how you download and install Emacs on your system. So for ALX students, please make sure you get your file, your resources or requirement ready to get to work. Thank you for watching the video. See you in my next video.